Hello there. Welcome back to English Quiz by Levels channel. Today, we'll dive into subject and verb agreement quiz, intermediate level. This is a perfect way to challenge yourself and refine your understanding of English grammar. Here's the quiz instructions. Total questions, 20 multiple choice questions. Level, intermediate. Time limit, 5 seconds per question. Pause the video if you need more time. Key and explanation provided immediately after each question. Are you ready? Let's start the quiz. Question 1. Mathematics. Not as difficult as many people think. A, does. B, do. C, is. D, are. Mathematics is a singular subject, though it has s at the end. The sentence needs a linking verb, so choose is. Question 2. A series of lectures, scheduled for next month. A will be B is, C are, D were. The subject, a series of lectures, is singular because a series is the main noun, so it requires a singular verb. Note, both singular and plural form of series is series. Example, a series, 2 series. Not only the director, but also his assistants. Missing from the meeting. A are, B is, C was, D is being. When not only, but also connects two subjects, the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. In this case, his assistants, plural, is closer to the verb, so the plural verb are is used. Question 4. The data stored in a secure system. A is, B am, C being D are. Data is often treated as a singular collective noun, especially in modern usage, even though it is technically plural. Thus, the singular verb is used. Question 5. Each of the books. An interesting story to tell. A is contained. B are contained. C contain. D contains. Each of plus plural noun is singular subject. The sentence is meant to convey that each book has an interesting story, which requires the active voice. So we choose contains. Question 6. A number of children injured in the accident yesterday. A is, B are, C was, D were. When we use the phrase a number of, the subject is considered plural. The sentence refers to an event that happened in the past, yesterday. So we choose were. Question 7. The number of deceased soldiers, not stored in the record book. A is, B are, C does, D do. The number of plus plural nouns equals singular subject, so we choose is. Question 8. $800. The cost of an iPhone 16. A are, B is, C is being D, B. $800 refers to a sum of money, so it is treated as a singular amount. Therefore, the singular verb is used. Question 9. Here. The tomb of Albert Einstein. A. Lies. B. Lie. C. Lied. D. Lying. The subject of the sentence is the tomb of Albert Einstein, which is singular. We choose lies to state the truth. Question 10. The Browns, here since 1950. A. Live. B. Lived. C. Has lived. D. Have lived. Since 1950 indicates that the sentence is present perfect tense. The Browns is a plural subject, so the verb have lived is used. Question 11. The herd of elephants. The river at dawn. A. Are crossing. B. Is crossing. C. Cross. D. Crosses. At dawn is a specific time, so the sentence describes an ongoing action. So we use present continuous tense. The herd of elephants is treated as a singular subject, so we choose B. Question 12. The committee, divided in their opinions. A. Is. B. Has. C. Are. D. Was. Committee right refers to a group of individuals. When the sentence emphasizes the individual's differing opinions, the plural verb are is used to reflect the members' separate views. Question 13. The majority of the voters. In favor of the proposal. A is. B. Are. C. Has. D. Have. The majority of the voters is treated as a singular subject because majority refers to a collective group considered as one unit. So we choose is. Question 14. Those who, to go with me, please raise your hands. A is wanting. B, wanting. C, wants. D, want. Who is the relative pronoun replacing for those, which is a plural subject. So we choose want. Question 15. Mumps, usually caught by children. A is. B, are. C, was. D, were. Mumps is a disease and a singular subject. The sentence is present tense because it states the truth. So we choose A. Question 16. To support the case against James. A. Is there any proof? B. Are there any proof? C. Is there any proofs? D. Are there any proofs? Proof is treated as an uncountable noun in this context. Therefore, the singular form proof is used, and the correct structure is there any proof? Question 17. Each of the reference, on that list, available in the school library. A book is. B books is. C. Book are. D books are. Each of should be followed by a plural noun. Each of plus plural noun is a singular subject, so B is correct. Question 18. 200 tons of water, last month. A uses. B is used. C were used. D was used. "200 tons refers to a specific quantity, which is treated as a singular subject. Last month indicates the sentence is past tense, so we choose was used. Question 19. What? You used in picking a winner in the art contest? A. Is the criteria. B. Are the criteria. C. Are the criterion. D. are the criterions. Criteria is the plural form of criterion, and it always takes a plural verb. Therefore, the correct sentence uses are. Question 20. Gymnastics, both a sport and an art form. A, are, B, is, C, was, D, were. Gymnastics is a singular noun, even though it ends in s. It refers to a single discipline, so it takes a singular verb. That's all for the test today. If you are here, congratulations! How many correct answers did you get? Share your score in the comment below. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for further quizzes in the future. See you next time.